Good morning, children. Last class we have learnt about Indian and international number system. Today we learn about comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Already we are familiar with this concept. Yes. How to compare two numbers? Which number is greater and which number is smaller and which is equal? We all have studied comparison for all the digits 2 digit, 3 digit and 4 digit for 5 and 6 digits. Now let us see comparing numbers with unequal number of digits. Now if the equal number of digits means when we compare the numbers 16,090 and 1,616. We have already learned that the number with more digits is greater. Hence, here 1,616 is a 6-digit number and 16,090 is the 5-digit number. So, here 6-digit number is greater. Suppose we are given more than two numbers. See here 1,468, 5, 201, 69 and 70,000. Then among these, which is the smaller number? 5. 5 because 5 is a single digit number. And then 70,000, it is the 5-digit number. So 70,000 is the greatest number and 5 is the smallest number. Comparing number with equal number of digits. Now, if all the 4 numbers are equal, now think about the situation. In a distance analysis chart, the distance between Chennai and New Delhi is 2180 kilometer and Chennai to Noida is 2158 kilometer respectively. Which city is farther from Chennai? Now both the distances we are going to compare which is the nearest distance and which is the farther distance. Now in the step 1, see, look at the step 1 comparing the 1000 place. Here the 1000 place both the digits are 2. Here the 1000 place both the numbers are same. Now we can't arrive any decision. In the step 2, see, comparing the hundreds place of two numbers. Here one in the two numbers. Here the digits at the hundreds place of both the numbers are same. So we can't arrive at any conclusion. So step 3, compare the tens place of two numbers. See the tens place. The first number is 8 and the second number is 5. Here digits at the tens place are different. So which is greater here, 5 or 8? Yes, 8 is greater. So we need not know to compare the ones place. Ones which is the greater means it is enough to see the tens place alone. By looking at the tens place, we can come to a conclusion that 2180 is greater than 2158. Now see this steps. You are clear, I think, yes? Now example 1.5, comparing these two numbers. See the numbers ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This is a 8-digit number. We are writing this number in a place value chart. While writing the number in a place value chart, all the digits 5 crores place is equal, 10 lakh place is equal, lakh places are equal, 10,000 place, thousands place, hundreds place and tens place. All the places are equal except in the ones place. The ones place we have the first number 6 and the second number as 8. So which is greater? 8 is greater. So the second number is greater than the first number. So we can come to a conclusion that the second number is greater. Now comparing the two numbers and put greater than or less than or equal to using the place value chart. Now compare the two numbers and put less than, greater than and equal to sign using the place value chart. Look at the first sum, 15,475. This is a 5-digit number, and 3,214. This is a 4-digit number. So 5-digit number is greater than the 4-digit number. Put the sign as greater. And second number 73,204, here 9,73,561. This is the 5-digit number and this is the 6-digit number. So first number is less than the second number. And look at the third number, all the places are equal. So see, look at the third number, all the places are equal. So these both the numbers are equal. The next number also equal. Now we know how to compare any two numbers. Now we learn about arranging the numbers in ascending and descending order. Arranging the numbers in ascending and descending order, the heights of 5 different apartments named as A, B, C, D and E in a locality are 985 feet, 1245 feet and 1865 feet, 355 feet and 585 feet respectively. They are shown according to their heights as in the figure. Can you arrange them in the ascending order of their heights? Yes, we can arrange the numbers by comparing them on the place values. Now they have given the 5 numbers. We can write this number in the place value chart and then we can compare it. Now look at this place value chart. Apartment A is 985. So they have written 985 in the place value chart. B as 1245, C as 1865 and D as 355 and E as 585. By comparing the 4 digits numbers by the following steps mentioned. Now first one is, which is the comparing the 4 digits, B and C are the 4-digit numbers. Here 1000s place, both the numbers are equal. So look at the hundreds place. In the hundreds place, B is 2 and C is 8. So C is greater than 2. So write C as the greater number, then B as the next greater number. Now when comparing the 3-digit numbers A, D and E. A, D and E, here 935. 985 is greater than 585 is greater than 355. Though the smallest among them is 355. Hence we can write the ascending orders as 355, 585, 985, 1245 and 1865. Creating new numbers. Using the 4 digits 9, 4, 8 and 5, we need to make different 4 digits number in such a way that the digits are not repeated. We get the following arrangement of different 4-digit numbers. Now look at this table. The thousands place we have 9, hundreds place 4, tens place 8 and ones place 5. The second one, thousands place 9, hundreds place 4, tens place 5 and ones place 8. Only the tens place and the ones place are interchanged. Now we are fixing the hundreds place as 8 and tens and ones place 4 and 5. Like that, hundreds place 5, tens place 4 and 8. We are changing it. So we got 6 types of numbers, 4-digit numbers. Here we are fixing the thousands place as 9. Like that we can fix the thousands place as 8, 4 and 5 also. So we can get different numbers, 4-digit numbers using these 4 digits. Impact of place value. Impact of place value. Now, what happens if we interchange the two digits, ones place and the tens place? Now, this consider the 4-digit number 3795. When we exchange the digits of two places, the number either becomes larger or smaller. Yes, instead of 95, we change as 59. The number becomes smaller. So, if we interchange the digits, either the number becomes larger or smaller. It makes a great impact in the situations while handling currencies. Now, if we interchange this number while handling currencies, it will make a great impact. Yes. In the same way, we can make different 4-digit numbers by exchanging the digits and check whether every time the number made is small or big.